Good morning everyone. As we have discussed in online session as well as offline session about different chapters, poem, writing part and grammatical topics. But while taking that online session, many students are facing the problem in grammar topics. So in this video, I'll take the quick revision about all the grammar topics. As you people are knowing that which topic will be there according to your syllabus, according to your new paper style. First we'll take that transformation of sentence. In transformation of sentence we are having the topics like change the voice, question tag, then assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, remove to, use to. These many topics are there. Then we'll have that direct indirect speech, how we are going to change the sentence from direct to indirect speech. Figures of speech we are having, and in writing section we are having the different things like diary writing, notice writing, essay writing, report writing, email writing and letter writing. These many things we are having. Now in transformation of sentence, that means grammar topic. Transformation of sentence, first I will take that change the voice. As you all are aware about that different rules that while changing the sentence from active to passive, how we are going to change the sentence. As we are having that active voice sentence, first of all that active voice sentence, for example, he eats an apple. So here that sentence starts with that subject. So subject, that means SVO, that means subject, verb and object. Whenever we are going to change the sentence into passive voice according to the formation, first we'll take that object. So definitely an apple will come, an apple. Now the second rule is there that according to the tense of the sentence we are using helping verb. Like here we are having the present tense. How we are knowing that we are having S or ES? Whenever the verb ends with S or ES, it is present tense. So in present tense we are using the that helping verb is, am, are. With an apple we are using is. Then we'll have the third form of the main verb, that means eaten, and by are pronoun, that means by him. He becomes him. As you are knowing the rules, like first of all, according to the tense, first we'll take that object. According to the tense we are using the helping verb, then V3 form, and then we'll have the subject. So total the formation of passive voice is object, verb and subject. Here we are having SVO, here we are having OVS. Then we'll have the rules, like whenever the sentence is having present tense, so in passive voice we'll write is, am, are plus V3 form. Whenever we are having that past tense like V2 form or D or ED form, so we'll write was, were plus V3 form. Whenever we'll have that continuous tense like is, am, are plus ing or was, were plus ing, so we'll write is, am, are plus being plus V3 form, or else was, were plus being plus V3 form. That means in continuous tense we are using being while changing the sentence into passive voice. Then we have the perfect tense, that means have, has, had plus V3. So in passive voice it will become like have, has, had plus been plus V3 form. Here minor, what we can say, a very small thing we need to keep in our mind, in continuous tense we'll have being, and in perfect tense we'll have been, B-E-E-N. Whenever we'll have the imperative sentence, that means one type of order, request, command, then suggestion, advice. This kind of sentence whenever we are having, at that moment we'll use that let word. For example, here it is written over there that open the door. So here one type of, what we can say, we are having that order. So here we can write let the door be opened. That means in or imperative sentence we are having the formation like let, then object, then be, and then V3 form. Like that we are having the formation. So imperative sentence. Then you can also, in imperative sentence you can also write like that according to the feelings of sentence. Suppose here we are having order. So in place of let, instead of let you can write that you are requested to open the door. Like that also you can write that you are requested to open the door. This is the formation or this is the rules and regulation. And you are knowing the second table of that pronoun changes, that he becomes him, she becomes her, I becomes me, we becomes us, they becomes them, and lastly that we are having most probably each and every time in passive voice we are using, whenever we'll have that plural form, so we are using the pronoun. And if any singular name is there, we'll use the same singular name. This is the rules and regulation for change the voice. Now we'll move ahead with that another topic, that assertive sentence. Change into assertive sentence. Assertive sentence and the interrogative sentence, we are having the vice versa rules and regulation. We'll take the example like he is a clever boy. Here one type of assertive sentence is there. In that bracket it has written that make interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, that means sentence ends with question mark. As you are knowing that interrogative sentence starts with helping verb. So here we are having that is helping verb. So our sentence starts with is. Now the second rule is there that whether if the sentence is positive, our answer will be negative. Here positive sentence is there, so is becomes isn't. Then we'll have that same, that pronoun isn't he a clever boy. Here the interrogative sentence is there, right? Isn't he a clever boy? And if we are changing the sentence from interrogative to assertive, we'll have the vice versa changes. Understood? Now we'll move ahead with that exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence, we are knowing that while changing the sentence into exclamatory, we need to see that two things. First, if we are having the article like a or an, so we'll use what, and remaining things, that means if we are not having article, we'll use how. For example, that it is a very beautiful place. It's a very beautiful place. So here of course we are having that article a. So our sentence starts with what? What a beautiful place it is. And our sentence ends with an helping verb, and at the end we are having that exclamation mark. One more time I am repeating that whenever we have the article, we'll use the what. Whenever we don't have article, we'll use the how. So what a beautiful place it is. That means our sentence ends with that exclamation mark. Now we'll have that another topic, remove to and use to. We take the example that he is too foolish to solve the problem. So as you are knowing the formation by changing the sentence into that means remove to, use to. Here we are having to. So we'll change like that. He is. Now instead of T-O-O-2, we'll write so. Same we are having that adjective. Instead of T-O-2, we'll write that. Now according to this subject, we'll write the same subject, that means he. If the sentence is in present tense, we'll write can't. And if the sentence is in past tense, we'll write couldn't. Here we are having present tense, so we'll write can't. He can't, and rest of the sentence. Solve the problem. One more time I am repeating. Instead of T-O-O-2, we'll write so. Instead of T-O-2, we'll write that. And if the sentence is having that present tense, we'll write can't. If the sentence is having past tense, we'll write couldn't. Now last topic we are having in transformation of sentence, that question tag. Question tag also you are knowing rules and regulation, that first we need to check that helping verb. if the helping verb is there, we'll use the same helping verb. If not, we'll use do or do, does or did according to the tense. Then if present tense is there, we are using do, does. If past tense is there, we are using did. Then sentence positive, so answer will be negative, and vice versa change is there. For example, they are eating an apple. So here we are having that are helping verb is there. So after writing the same sentence, we'll write the comma and then are. If the sentence is positive, our question will be negative. Aren't and then are subject. So aren't they, like that we are using the question tag. And whenever we are having that imperative sentence in question tag, at that moment we'll use will you. And whenever we are having the sentence starts with let, at that moment we'll use the question tag as shall we. At that moment, that means imperative sentence like one type of request, order, command, advice. At that moment, directly we'll write only and only will you. And in let sentence we'll write shall we. I hope you all understood whatever I have explained, and will quick solve all the rules and regulations as well as we have covered all the topic in this video. If you will have any kind of doubt regarding this, so whenever we'll have online session, we'll solve your doubts. Till then, bye bye, take care. Thank you, have a nice day ahead.